As a teacher, it's important to understand your course cards and what they do and how you can use them to be successful. Course cards appear on the home page for you and your students, but they display different things. As a teacher, you will have more tools available to you. If you have access to a master, you will see the activities, the editor, and the course manager. For those courses that have enrollments, you'll see the activities, the gradebook, reports, people, and editor. The activities will take you directly into the course where you can view it as a student. The gradebook will take you into the gradebook area where you can manage your students' grades. The reports will take you to the report feature where you can create reports and download them for your needs. The people page will take you to the page where it will display and aggregate all data for your students. The editor will allow you to edit the course if this feature is available to you. To manage your course cards, you can also click on Manage Courses here, and you can reorder your course cards by the up and down arrows. You can also create a course or delete a course if those options are available to you. You can also view past courses.